welcome back to my channel. Joby here. If you are new, hi and welcome. Please introduce yourself if you are new, so I will get back to you guys. I'm so happy to connect with you. Okay everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I make this fruit cake. Okay, so as you can see that I'm poking the puff pastry, guys, and then we're going to put it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius.
I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go.
Para sa ating krema, guys, I put 1 glass of milk. Full milk, guys, ang gamitin niyo. Mas maganda kasi ang kinalabasan pag full milk ang gamitin niyo. So you have to boil that, and then in the glass, guys, as you can see in the glass, so yan ang ginamit ko. And I put 2 egg yolks, and then 2 tablespoons of maizena, and then 2 tablespoons of white sugar. And then you have to put 3/4 of the milk, guys, and then you have to mix it properly, and then after that you will add into the milk, guys, na ipinakulo natin. So hintayin nyo muna na kumulo yung milk na yun, and then you can add this one, and then you have to keep stirring it para hindi masunog, guys. So you have to continue stirring it. Once na medyo sticky na siya, guys, and then you have to turn off the fire, and then you have to set aside and palamigin nyo muna bago nyo ilagay doon sa puff pastry natin. You may also see, guys, that I put lemon peel kasi yun, guys, ang nagbibigay ng flavor para sa ating krema.
I swear I'll try my best to always be there, and I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do.
So as you can see, guys, I keep stirring it para hindi siya dumikit.
Remember when I used to come over to your house every day? Still remember the smell of your car when you drove me down to that lake. Felt so good staying up all night. That will forever be our place. And I know it's been a long time since we were together. There's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and
Okay, guys, so let's prepare, guys, the cake. Okay, the puff pastry, guys, is already cooked, so prepare na lang natin yung, and also our custard is, or crema de pastelera is ready also. So ito na lang fruits ang i-ready natin. We have to peel, wash, and cut. Yes.
together. But there's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly
ready na ang ating mga prutas, guys. So, ikat na lang natin and i-assemble na lang natin, guys. So, ilagay na natin yung cream. Yes, guys, na ginawa natin kanina. So, let's spread it out, guys, on top of this puff pastry. And then, after that, ilagay na natin yung mga fruits. Yes. So, yung blueberries, hindi na natin hati-hatiin kasi they are very small. Ang hatiin na lang natin ay yung mga strawberries and kiwis, guys, on top. So, ganun lang, guys. It's very easy and healthier pag ganito, guys, ang gawin natin. Yes, and napakasarap talaga. So, this cake, guys, is what I always make every time we have very special occasion. I hope you guys can try this one. Kahit palitan nyo na lang, guys, yung mga fruits, guys. You can use any kind of fruits available you have.
Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. How to carry on your own.
So, guys, look at this beautiful cake. Isn't it so beautiful and appetizing? Yes, so yummy. So this is how I make our cake, guys. So guys, here is our cake. Yes, so yummy.